Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by anchoring the problem. State the objective and a measurable metric so you know when you succeed. Once done, inspect and clean data quickly. Handle missing values, label errors, and outliers that would mislead training. Make sure to split into train/validation/test, common, 80/10/10 so you can iterate safely. Finally, implement a simple baseline model to set expectations and reveal glaring issues before you invest in complex. Now you build and run the training loop with intent. Pick an architecture matched to data size and complexity, and add dropout or weight decay to prevent overfitting. Once training starts, choose optimizer and a learning rate schedule. Use checkpoints and TensorBoard-style logs so you can rewind. Make sure to monitor both training and validation metrics, divergent signals overfit, or data leakage. When unstable, reduce learning rate or batch size and test a smaller model to isolate issues. You finish by rigorously evaluating on the held-out test, set, and translating those numbers into business impact. Validate edge cases. Once satisfied, optimize the model for deployment with pruning or quantization, and verify latency and memory on target hardware. If problems arise in production, reproduce failures locally with a minimal example, then trace data and model differences. This isolation step is the fastest way to find hidden preprocessing, distribution shift, or numerical instability causing unexpected behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.